what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Thank you guys for liking and sharing, subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the bell as well to get notifications for the next time I upload. So today's video is basically going to be my secret to how I gained weight. So right now, currently, my weight is 135. I originally made it to, once I finished my journey, I made it to 140, but I dropped back down to 135, and I've been 135 since. I don't remember, but yeah, my tip. Well, first of all, I would say, of course, you would have to be persistent, okay? Yes, you would have to be persistent. Persistent with everything, with the whole journey, with eating, persistent with the working out, persistent with your shakes, persistent with if you are taking like a appetite stimulant, persistent with that as well. Also, when it comes down to eating, just to get a little further detail, when it comes down to eating, you want to eat at least 3 meals a day, and snack in between. If you have the ability to do so, I would definitely say it helps out a lot. You see quicker results when you eat 3 meals a day and snack in between. Now my whole weight gain journey, I did not work out. I got to a certain amount of weight first, and then I began to work out. Okay, my bad. Sorry y'all. My camera doing something weird, funky. But yeah, as far as working out, I did not work out the entire time of my weight gain journey. I worked out once I made it to around 130. Once I made it to 130, I felt comfortable enough to start sculpting my body and breaking everything down to get a little bit more toned and curves, you know, a little bit, just a little. But yeah, now I didn't go like full force or anything like that. I just did like the minimum, not necessarily the minimum, but what I focused on mainly was my lower body. I did workouts mainly for like my legs, my calf muscles, my butt and hips. I didn't really do too much for like my upper body, but I can say that working out plays a big role in gaining weight and looking good when you gain your weight, because everybody could gain weight, but you want the nice, you know, proportionate. You don't want no, you know, chubby fupa or nothing like that. So that as well, I started working out. And another thing is protein shakes help out so much. If you are on the run like myself constantly, protein shakes help out so much. The number one protein shake that I say is like my key, my like blueprint to gaining weight is Serious Mass. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So it looks like this, and it has 1,250 calories per shake. Now with this shake, this is empty. with this shake, 1 scoop is the shake you need. Well, I don't have a scooper in here, but I was gonna show y'all the scooper, but it's not in there. But yeah, 1 scoop is all you need, and I mix mine with milk. You do have the option to mix this with water, but I'm pretty sure that's nasty as hell, because with it, with milk is yeah. But this shake is pretty thick as well. I mean, you're drinking 1,250 calories in 1 scoop in 1 shake, so it's pretty thick, but it's not so bad to where you just can't do it. Like I got used to it, like having a shake. I have 1 shake a day, and I got used to it basically. Wow, sorry about that. I got used to this shake every day. So yeah, I would say that this is one of the key staples into gaining weight. No, but but really, yeah, that stuff really helps, really work. Now, when I first started my weight gain journey, I was taking the weight gain zone pills, the epitomin form pills. I also tried the liquid epitomin, which was good. It actually worked, but it's expensive. Okay, every time I go back to look at the liquid form of epitomin, it's gone up. Like, I think it's like $30 a bottle now. And I just felt like it was more convenient for me to take the pills instead of the liquid form of epitomin, because it spilled on me, and 1 bottle equals 1 week. If you take it properly, if you take the little milliliters of the little cap on it, 1 bottle is for 1 week, so $30 per week. And then on top of that, you already have to make sure you're eating 3 meals a day, wherever you're eating, if it's home cooked or even if it's fast food or whatever. Okay, it's gaining weight is expensive, hands down, but you could do it. Okay, you could do it. It's expensive, it's a little on the pricey side, all right, but you could do it. So I really wasn't feeling the liquid form of epitomin. I started to take the little pills. The little pills helped out, and I began to wean myself off of the pills around maybe 130, 132, 133, and now I'm just trying to work out and take my little serious mass shake a day and eat 3 meals, and see how that works, because generally I don't want to depend on the medication to gain weight. I feel like I'm at a decent amount. I went from 114 to 135. I reached my goal for 140, but I just wasn't able to stay at 140. Hopefully once I get into like a good enough workout routine, I'll go back up to 140, because muscle mass weighs more than general body fat. So hopefully when I start to work out like constantly, like a main general like workout routine, something consistent, because right now I only work out like maybe twice a week. So yeah, it's actually pretty easy, guys. You just take baby steps. Never give up, be consistent, love yourself regardless. Like, regardless if you are trying to gain weight, lose weight, or whatever, make sure that you love yourself and appreciate your body for, you know, what it is. So yeah, that is my secret to gaining weight, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for staying tuned for the next videos and all that good stuff. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. You guys also make sure to follow me on Instagram. Your girl be popping on Instagram, okay? So follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I got a Twitter account, and what else? Twitter. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. But thank y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.